Come on an adventure. Arriving on Fairy Island. We'll leave the world behind and learn a whole new Jenga with Fias Fairies. Fias Fairies. Little Lost Gráinneog.
Oh, wow, Fia! Pip's been looking for new decorations for the cafe.
Look what I made at school, Pip.
Farfa. Aha!
Aw, but I only made one.
Why don't we collect more pine cones and decorate them together?
Ganyan.
Gross.